like button, subscribe, and make it happen. Hey guys, it's Edna making it happen, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going on another solo adventure. Not really an adventure, but another solo travel day for me. I'm currently in Phuket. I'm visiting my friend here. You may know him as the subscribe guy. Subscribe back in my earlier videos. But yeah, I have some time off, so I came down to Phuket, hang out with him, and then we're gonna go to a resort, which I will show you in upcoming videos. But yeah, but he's at work, so I'm by myself right now. And and what I typically do on a solo trip is I'll just go out, have a nice lunch, and look at the sights. Like, going on that hike by myself was really something new for me, because when I solo travel, I don't really do those kind of adventures by myself. But yeah, that was exciting. So today I'm just gonna go have some lunch, go to see some a nice view, and I'm gonna go to the beach, so you can come along with me and you can see what I typically do on a solo trip day, a solo travel day. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I just had lunch at the place called Beach Bar, and it was pretty good, but I forget that in nature, when you're having lunch in nature, I'm watching the road because I'm walking along the road. You know, you have bugs and things out there, so as I'm eating, there's like a radioactive spider that's trying to come next to me. That was gross. And then there are these little tiny ants that if you drop a crumb, you know, they go and they want to eat everything. And then there were these two birds who were trying to jack my food. So it was tough because it was a nice place to have lunch and it was a nice view, but I could have done without all of the nature. Yeah, but I would have spoken inside the lunch place, but they were playing music, so I couldn't speak. I couldn't record because the music would be in the background. Yeah. But yeah. But now, my original plan for the day was to have lunch at this nice place because my friend recommended it. Then go up the hill to this viewpoint to get some really nice pictures. And I even bought a tripod at the mall this morning. I have a tripod, but this one is easier to just tack on and travel with. So I bought this tripod to go up to the hill to take these pictures, but I'm not doing that because it's a lot further than I thought it was. And that's like the deceiving part of being from the city, right? So it says, oh, it's a 13-minute drive away, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I can walk it, no problem. But the walk is about an hour and a half. So I didn't bring the right shoes for that, and I also wasn't in the mood for that. And then I could call a cab to take me there, but a cab to come pick me up would be expensive, and I would have to take a cab back down, and that is not happening. I'm not using my resort money on cabs. And I keep saying and, I know. Also, I had to take a motorbike here because the bus wouldn't come pick me up to take me to the beach. From the beach you can walk here, no problem, 20-minute walk, but there were no buses, so I had to take a cab here. Yeah, so these cabs have me digging into my resort money, and I am not trying to live that life, okay? I need this money to live out my champagne dreams on a budget. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna walk to the beach. I'm gonna nix the pictures with the view, which is fine because then I'll just take pictures on the beach if I want to, and just sit and enjoy the sand and being near the water. I didn't plan on going in the water today. I didn't want to. So now I'm just gonna go enjoy the beach, and it's gonna be my day until I meet up with my friend later. Yeah, see you at the beach. So I was just saying that I'm an easygoing solo traveler, because I'm usually not that adventurous when I travel by myself. I usually just an easy day. So I'll lie here on the beach for the rest until I feel like getting up and going home. I have my book. Maybe I'll read if, I stop using my book as a pillow. Yeah. It's when I'm with other people that I want to do more stuff because I'm not as nervous or intimidated. Yeah. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share. Click that button. Subscribe and make it happen.